Welcome to new video. That is our brand new software now that is available. That is auto logging feature. Automatic login. Done. Engine stable. Connected. And that is our current version. And don't worry, that is with machine learning. He improved his own self. Toll broker is available. And Telegram. The message option. You can choose your own format. An autosave signal history, and you can verify your signal history under 48 hours. And you can choose your theme from But that is our default theme. Let's generate some signal on Quotex broker. Default setting is best, on my opinion. It's take few minutes for analysis. It's done. Let's verify. Telegram sent message. It's perfectly working. You can verify live-in history. And here is another signal. 34 win, 6 loss. Let's see. Another format Telegram message. Yeah, perfectly, always working. Must join our free Telegram channel for daily all update. And we have some free tool, you can also check it out. We have to announcement all of the updates on Telegram channel, so join on it.